So, a new box came in, and this time it's the Apple TV 4K, the 2022 model. So, right from the box, we get to see that 4K logo, and on its rear, the specifications are not in English, so let me translate it for you. So, as you see on the screen, it gives us cinema quality, and as you may have expected, its connectivity with all other Apple devices goes seamlessly. So as you see here, I bought the 64GB Wi-Fi only model, and for 20 bucks more you get the 128GB version with an Ethernet port. But let's start unbox this thing, and the first thing that's notable is that you can open it just like you open any other iPhone box. You remove those straps and the box slides open very easily. So first things first. The first thing we see is the actual Apple TV box. It comes only in black, which is very neat, but the problem with this color is that it collects dust very easily. As you see here, it's just a dust magnet. And the fact that it has glossy side makes the problem even worse. So hey Apple, maybe next time just give us a matte finished Apple TV. We don't want those dust particles. So what's more inside this box is obviously the Siri remote. This remote has an aluminum body, and man, you feel that quality right away. And other than that Apple TV box, it doesn't collect any dust particle whatsoever. So like I said, the remote is made out of aluminum and it weighs around 2.3 ounces. This clickpad allows you to navigate throughout your screen, which is very neat. It works actually exactly like a trackpad of your laptop. You can also use the physical buttons, but I like to use that clickpad as well. It has a USB-C port as you see there. So the remote comes with a rechargeable battery, and one charge delivers months of battery life. So on the right side we have the Siri button, and with one click you can just give it prompts to do or to open whatever applications. So thank God there's also a power cord, so you don't have to buy that separately. So I live in Europe and I have the European version, and this side gets attached to the Apple TV. And lastly we have some paperwork. There are no stickers though, so this is just a step-by-step guide on how to use the Apple TV and all. But there are no stickers like we are used to have in the iPhones and the MacBooks. And that's actually it. There's nothing more in the box, but I've discovered this dent, and I think it's meant to make room for that Siri button on the side of the remote. So let's check it out, and yeah, it fits right into it. So like I said, the side of that Apple TV box has a glossy finish, not a matte finish, which means it will collect a lot of dust particles. So if you want to keep your Apple TV clean, you need to get yourself a microfiber cloth. But let's talk about the inside of this Apple TV box, which has an A15 Bionic chip. And that's responsible for a very smooth user experience. Unlike the CPU that comes right into the smart TV, this is more powerful. And Apple wouldn't be Apple if they didn't make you buy extra stuff to make your Apple TV work. So keep in mind, the Apple TV will not come with an HDMI cable. So if you are planning on buying an Apple TV, make sure to have an HDMI cable at home, or at least just order it right away, because you don't want to have it unboxed and all and just find out that you can't plug it to your TV. But overall, if I can give you my opinion about whether to buy one or not, I will definitely recommend you to invest in this Apple TV. It's versatile. You can download apps on it. Its video experience is just top notch. It comes with Dolby Vision. Obviously, the streaming needs to have Dolby Vision equipped with the video, but if you have that, you will experience that Dolby Vision. It has SDR video, but also HDR video, which gives you that clean. All colors are very accurate. The blacks are black. So HDR, by the way, stands for high dynamic range, and it's other than the standard dynamic range, the SDR. With HDR, the dark scenes may have some gray colors, but those colors are clipped into black colors. And the same idea goes for those scenes that are bright. When you have a bright scene, HDR makes sure that the whites are very white. Yeah, and that's basically it for this video. I hope you've liked it. Like always, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.